Hi, I'm Paul Lacey with Power Integrations. Today I'm here to talk about LinkZero-AX, our integrated power IC for ultra-low standby supplies with remote off functionality. Similar to our other Link products, LinkZero-AX is an integrated MOSFET and controller for flyback supplies with a great new feature. In this family, we've included a remote off that's easy to use and provides 0.00 watts of total standby consumption even with input voltage still connected. Here's a LinkZero-AX design that delivers 1.5 watts of output power at full load. Using a bench supply to simulate a microcontroller pulse to the base of a transistor, I can put the supply into off mode and we see it's consuming 0.00 watts of input power. Now let's change the input scale to see if we measure any leakage. At the highest resolution, we measure 2.4 milliwatts of input power, caused by leakage through electrolytic capacitors and the small amount of power consumed by the device. At 230 volts AC input, we measure only 4.1 milliwatts of leakage. IEC standards allow any power below 5 milliwatts to be rounded down to 0. While the supply is in off mode, we see that the output voltage collapses, but the bypass pin is regulated to 4 volts. To wake the supply up, briefly pull down on the bypass pin, and the supply immediately begins switching, bringing the output into regulation in less than 5 milliseconds. LinkZero-AX designs offer flexibility to choose the best wake-up trigger for your application, replacing a high-voltage switch with a soft switch or a microcontroller. During power down mode, the bypass pin can source up to 500 microamps of current. While drawing power from this pin does drive up standby consumption, it can be used in many different applications. For example, this rail can be used to power an infrared receiver on a television during standby. When the receiver detects an on signal from the remote control, it pulls down the bypass pin, waking the supply up and bringing the TV to life. For even more versatility, LinkZero-AX devices can be used in isolated designs by simply adding a feedback winding. LinkZero-AX also pairs beautifully on a system level with CAP0, our high-voltage X-capacitor discharge IC used to eliminate all losses in discharge resistors, and SYN0, the high-voltage sense disconnect IC used to eliminate standby waste in sense resistors. Together, these products work to achieve the lowest possible standby input power in all your products. And as usual, LinkZero-AX comes with the standard set of safety and reliability features you would expect from Power Integrations. For ultra-low standby supplies, you can't go any lower than LinkZero-AX. With a 0.00 watt remote off feature that's easy to use, and a standby pin that can supply up to 500 microamps of local auxiliary power, there are many applications for LinkZero-AX waiting to be discovered by creative designers looking to squeeze the best performance from the least amount of power. What could you do with Zero? To find out more, please visit the LinkZero-AX page on the Power Integrations website to download design software and datasheets and to see other design examples.